Hey guys, Jamie here, keeping it koi. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. I hope to earn your subscription today. So today, it is my birthday. I've just got back from climbing Mount Snowden at 2 o'clock last night. Absolute agony, pulled something in my groin, not good. So I'm hobbling around today, but I've come out this morning. It looks like we're in for a big downpour in a minute. Got some nice thunderclouds heading this way. But yeah, come out this morning to a bit of a disaster. The day we decided to go, we booked miles in advance, but unfortunately it turned out to be the hottest day of the year, and I've come home to a cooked vat. Unfortunately this morning, even first thing this morning, obviously I didn't check on them all last night, but first thing this morning the vat was still at 27 degrees. So God knows what it reached yesterday. And yet, good old birthday present. Climbing Mount Snowden was absolutely excellent, so thank you to the guys that invited me up for that. But yeah, show you the disaster. Let me spin you around. If you don't want to see this, look away now or skip forward a couple of minutes. But yeah, unfortunately this is the situation I've come home to. So yeah, they're just having a big fast water change at the minute to try and bring the temperature down, but it's still over 30 degrees out here, even though the sun's not currently out. But yeah, unfortunately, come home to quite a few floaters, some really nice ones as well. I'm not going to sit there and go through each one. Most of them though are from my own spawning, all the Bakki or from the Bakki spawn. Shame, real nice fish, a lot of them. But yeah, there's a couple of Orchibas, but mainly Bakki and a chag in there. All them babies from when I was going through my own fry, the ones with the linear scales, all from the Bakki, and the heat has melted them. Such a shame. But yeah, so I'm trying to reduce the temperature in there as quick as I can, or not as quick as I can, obviously that would be dangerous, but yeah, I don't know if you can quite see that there. 27.4 degrees, and so this is the second water change they've had today. So yeah, oh, it's going really dark now. Yeah, could do with some rain in this garden. My grass is all died. Yeah, my grass is all died, so could do with some rain. I do water the grass, but bonsais are fine though. I literally, just before I went on Friday late afternoon, I gave them all a damn good water, and we stayed over Friday night, climbed all day Saturday, got back down off the mountain about 7 o'clock, and yeah, then the 4.5 hour journey home. But yeah, it was an absolute great day. I'll show you a few clips from Mount Snowden.
Yeah, I can see like the light. I'm close up on mine. I can see. Yeah, I'm not got any problem with that, but I can see. So I'm fine in daylight.
I've got various photos now. Here we go. So we've made it to the top. We've been all the way up. We're just having a rest before we start heading back down. But look at the views here, guys. Don't know if you can see it there, but the sea's down there. You can probably see Danny's house from around that ridge. My boy's called Liverpool. He lives over there somewhere. But yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Excuse the diggers. Fancy having a calf on the top of a mountain. But yeah, top of Mount Snowden for my birthday. What more can you want? Catch you back down there in a bizzle. Left my little mark on top of the mountain, and now we are gonna head down. Right, for a view. I think that's the down there where Danny lives somewhere. There goes the puffer train. Lazy buggers, getting the train off Snowden. And we've just come from the summit. Oh, behind them clouds you can't see it now. It's a bit cloudy now, which is good because it's nice and cool. It's been like 30 degrees today. Wrong time to be climbing the mountains. Little waterfall. Down to a stream. And apparently David's got a hot date. And that is the very tippity top where we've just been. If you can just about make it out, you can see the cafe. Found an absolute gorgeous little hidden gem off the beaten track, and now they're going swimming. Look at that. All right up there. Looks very cold. And yeah, you could probably see Danny's house from up there. My boy's Koi, Liverpool. That is a tongue twister and a half, Danny. But yeah, no, it was a fantastic day. Just a shame this is what I've come home to. God, it really is going dark. Good, that'll help the koi get cooler. So I'm going to continue sorting them out. Once I've sorted them out, I'm going to show you what souvenirs I've brought back. Yeah, so it looks like we're in for a big storm. The wind's just proper ripped up, you can probably hear it. Yeah, this is going to be interesting. This has come out of nowhere. But yeah, just a bit, isn't it? Creepy. Considering the weather we've had over the last few days, and now this, let me show. It's been absolutely gorgeous the last few days, and now we've had not a drop of wind for weeks, and now all of a sudden everything's blowing everywhere. But yeah, so what did I bring home from Mount Snowden? To start off with, I've brought home a little bit of this and put it all over here. So in here I got a little bit of heather. Not heather, is it heather? Oh, I can't remember. But wind's blowing everything everywhere, and some moss, and you can probably hear everything's falling on the pergola roof, blowing off the main roof from the very tippity top of the mountain. And yes, I did carry these all the way down. I got 3 little rocks from the top of the mountain. We took a weird route past the quarry, and I picked up a thin slate from the quarry. Oh, these came from the top of the mountain as well. 2 little bits of quartz. And yeah, at the very bottom near the car park there was an oak tree, so I picked a few acorns, see if we can get some of them to grow, and then a big rock. Bit naughty, but yeah, got a big rock from the bottom. I did not carry that bloody thing down. That was near the car where we parked. But yeah, bit of slate. So the plan is to use all that and hopefully grow them and make a Mount Snowden bonsai arrangement, hopefully. But yeah, I just saw a flash of lightning, so we're in for a big old storm. I'm gonna sort the dead fish out, get the lid down on that, finish off doing the water changes, and yeah, try and enjoy the rest of my birthday, I suppose. So thanks all for watching. Like the video if you haven't already, and we will catch you all on the next one. Oh, here it comes! Whoa, thunder! Happy birthday, Jamie. Wow. Ooh, flash. Well, the garden needed that.